show how we clean up our toys.
Clean up how to get the character up. Where's people? Where's Sky? Mana card.
This is my baby brother's laptop, and we don't know where to put it. Can you guys help us? 3, 2, 1. Thank you for helping us. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our show.